Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video for the Volkswagen Audi adjustable front upper multi-link arm set. These arms are designed to adjust front camber and caster and are available in complete sets for street or performance use. They can also be purchased for left or right sides individually. These arms fit 98 to 08 A4, 98 to 04 A6 including S and RS models, 07 to 08 A5 S5, and 98 to 05 Volkswagen Passat with beam type rear axle. Refer to our catalog for correct part numbers for your application. Read the installation instructions thoroughly, and please follow all safety precautions associated with the tools and equipment used for installation and adjustment of this product. Start by lifting the vehicle so the suspension hangs freely, then remove the wheel and tire. It is usually necessary to remove the strut assembly with the upper control arms and mounting plate from the vehicle in order to remove the upper control arm bolts. Remove the long pinch bolt and nut retaining the ball joints to the knuckle. Install a strap and support the knuckle so it does not fall free to avoid damage to the brake lines and axle shaft. Use of a spreader tool such as a chisel will make removal of the ball joint studs easier. Pop both ball joints loose from the knuckle assembly. Remove the bolt and nut retaining the strut to the lower control arm. From under the hood, remove the cowl trim if necessary. Now remove the 3 bolts holding the strut plate to the body. It may be necessary to remove a retaining washer from the stud on the underside of the strut plate. Now remove the complete strut assembly from the vehicle. Lay the strut assembly so the control arms are vertical. This will aid in installation of the new arms. Remove the control arm mounting bolts and remove each control arm. Match and adjust the new control arms so they are approximately the same length as the stock arms, with equal thread showing on each side of the turnbuckle. Longer arm is towards the front of the vehicle. Install one new arm while leaving the other stock arm in place. Check to see if the new arm has the same travel against the strut plate as the stock arm. If trimming is necessary, use the 85-137 aluminum rotary file or equivalent to trim the plate. After trimming, make sure the new arm has the same travel as the old stock arm. Repeat the procedure for the other control arm. Now place both arms in a vertical position and tighten the retaining bolts. This will ensure the arms are tightened in the same position as the stock arms. The arm retaining bolts can be tightened in any position if installing arms with X-axis style joints. Torque bolts to manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall strut assembly back into vehicle. Install but do not tighten lower strut bolt. Reinstall the 3 strut plate bolts and tighten to specifications. Reinstall trim panel if removed. Install the control arm ball joints into the knuckle assembly. Install the supplied pinch bolt and nut and tighten to 30 pound-feet or 40 Newton meters. Remove support strap if used and install the tire and wheel assembly. With vehicle at normal ride height, tighten lower strut bolt to specifications. To gain access to arms for angle adjustment, use alignment machine jack and hold or jack up selected axle option. Adjust the control arms by turning the center turnbuckle to achieve the desired camber and caster readings. Maximum length of arm is reached when milled flat is visible on adjuster at end of aluminum housing. Do not lengthen arm beyond this point. When adjustment is complete, tighten lock nuts, making sure ball joints are parallel to the knuckle top. If using arms with X-axis bushings, make sure bushings stay centered. Adjust toe and road test the vehicle.